only had like rocket thrusters on the back of our back, and we just like whiz through this whole thing. Like, no kidding. We just go really fast. Nice little fire. I saw electricity in there, so that's gonna be a problem. So, electricity, my old enemy, or old friend, because I'm using electricity. Whatever, man, I don't care. There. Yes. Get me over there.
It's over, Batman. I put everything I've got into this one. Throw yourself at it for a while if you must, but you're not crying it. Not a chance.
I just did.
Damn it, no!
Ow. Damn you.
Come at me!
Hey, guys.
Don't attack one at a time! Someone's gonna get... Nuts! Come on, we got some action!
Bring your arm. Guys, electricity.
Oh, you're tenacious, I'll give you that. But you're still no match for my vastly superior intellect, as you'll soon discover.
Yep, your massively superior intellect just failed you. It's hard to say.
Keep it up, Batman, and you're going to be very, very sorry. Oh no, I can't! No, I'll never!
Ah,
Kick his ass so we can get out of here!
ow.
Get a piece of that action! Surround him! How hard is it to do one nut job?
Bitch, I hate electricity.
Oh, you! You're quickly approaching the point of no return. I'd turn back if I were you.
Oh, thanks again, I like your concern, but, you know, pretty much gonna destroy your place.
All right, you've made your point. So why don't we just agree to disagree and go our separate ways?
I don't think so.
What's wrong with you? It's not like I'm backing the bad guys here. Well, not usually.
You're invading people's privacy.
You got how many assassins running around out there, and you're lecturing me on selling personal information? Way to prioritize. You're going after Gotham Optics next? Or maybe some telemarketers? Ooh.
If that information gets into the wrong hands, people could get hurt because of you.
And people do get hurt because of you. So I assume you'll be handing yourself over to the police now? That's what I thought.
Don't worry, Enigma. I'll get your last thing. When I do, I'm gonna be beat you up real good. And there it is. The mission. Any missions around here before I should go over there? Might as well just take out the bird mission before we do the mission on the bridge. Because we took out like almost all the assassins and he's like the last one. So we might as well just take out the bird mission and then take out the last assassin.
This is a hostage situation, people. Get into position and prepare to breach on my order. Do not provoke or engage the suspect. He's got hostages in the bridge sublevel. Just get yourselves into position.
So hungry. And you're also out of luck. Everything's shut tight.
Yeah, there's gotta be like a diner or something nearby, no? Plenty of diners. I'm open.
We could break into one. What if we get caught? Can you imagine?
Oh, no!
Yes, oh no.
Available units, stand by for status update on potential assignment.
We gotta stop him! I'll take this!
Show me what you got.
Don't let him touch you! Oh, we got him! Something's going down!
There we go. Got the last of them. I really want to take out that. Probably not. I'm just gonna. What about this?
We're not gonna take it.
Alright, bird. Let's see how you look. Probably looks like a pigeon. Locked.
Leave now, and we will spare you.
Fine, you want the club? It's yours. When the boss finds out about this,
He will stay away if he values his life. Ah! The bat! You have come as Bane said you would. Fly down from your perch then, so I can kill you.
I thought you'd never ask.
face me, coward!
Knock him down! This will help. Restrain him!
I'm Bane's servant!
I will make good use of There is...
Thank you for the lesson! I cannot live with my shame!
Night night.
Who are you?
They call me Bird.
Bane's lieutenant. Putting you away should set him back.
Bane already has all he needs. He will find you. He will break you.
Nope. I just broke you.
Alfred, put in a call to GCPD. They'll want to bring these men in for questioning.
Wonder what's in here. Oh, you gotta be screwing with me right now. A modified version of Google Aids that triggers surface display effect design, restrict enemies movement, immobilize several enemies at once, and effectively. I'm not gonna read all that, and no, I don't want that. I barely even use it. Enhance charge shock load more quickly than previously possible. No, that's why. That was there to waste my time. You can already guess what these mats were used for. And there's more rooms. Great. And cool. Alright, now it's time to get out. Alright, we're gonna take out one more thing and then we're gonna end this episode off here. What should we take out? We should really just take out that last station. That's like over here. Yeah, let's do that before we end it.
This is a hostage situation, people. Get into position and prepare to breach on my order. Do not provoke or engage the suspect. He's got hostages in the bridge sublevel. Just get yourselves into position.
I remember why I couldn't go over here last time.
Everything we thought Silas was doing was actually the Joker. The attack on Black.
More assholes.
Just as I suspected. Mine is the superior intellect. No hard feelings, I hope.
Oh God. No.
For a good scrap. Keep after it.
Oh, good. All this stuff has.
You're in big trouble.
Stay away from the tower, Batman. I've got work to do, and now you're just getting in my way. I thought you had a city to save. So what are you doing wasting time with me?
That's exactly why I'm here to save the city from you. Real problem. Here it is. Hey, guys up there.
I need any unassigned unit for special assignment. Stand by.
You must be feeling pretty good about
First time
yourself,
it's
Batman. I mean, you took down all the towers, which means you foiled my plan. Except, oh wait, I already have all the data I need. And as soon as I'm done uploading it, so will everyone in Gotham.
There's still time for me to put an end to this.
True, there is. Just not very much. It was a valiant attempt, though. You get an A for effort, but an F for impact.
Alright then, I guess we finished, like, this session right now, so... in the next time we'll try to do the main mission and, yeah, try and finish the game, because I feel like we're almost done. Alright then, I'll see you guys next time.